Hello, lovely ladies. You all can please switch on your video. You can come on the video as well with us. That would be really good if we all are going to be here. Hi Ashu. Hello Aradi. Hi Sameer.
Hi Pallavi.
Hi, Pallavi.
Hi Sapna. So, hi Krishna. It is so good to see you all here. And first of all, I wish you all a very happy Women's Day today. Yeah, Sameer, you can also enjoy this. No issues
Yeah,
with that.
absolutely.
Fine. So the main purpose of this webinar was just to understand how to pitch the right clients. And we all know that we all are bloggers and we really want that we want that appreciation from everyone. And we have been doing a bit from our side. But now the question is that when we are doing so much of work, why can't we make it monetize? I mean, why cannot we do that? Of course, we can, but then we do not know the small tricks. We do not know how to do it properly because content is everywhere and content writers are like everywhere nowadays. You can easily say that everybody is writing nowadays. But then why we are not getting as much as work as others are getting? This is the only question which we have basically. So I would really like to show you a small presentation. I would like to go through this small presentation first, and then we will definitely go with the other questions. You can just put up the question. Sameer is there, and Sameer is a founder of Startup Reporter. He is really doing a very good job when it comes to like providing women a platform, a writing platform. He's there, and he will be guiding us. He will be taking us through with other things as well. So I would really request you all can have your videos on if you want. If you do not want to be on video, that is also okay with me. But yeah, that will be much better if you will be having a video on. That will be really a good thing for all of us. I'm going to share my screen with you all right now. Just give me a second. It's nothing but just a small presentation. So I promise you not to take a lot of time of all of yours. I understand the work schedule and the home chores and all that. So here, the main topic of our conversation of the webinar was how to pitch the clients right. Exactly. Because as I have told, we all are writing, we all are doing a lot of hard work while writing. But then what is that one thing which stops us from moving forward? That is the main question. I would like to go through with this. Agenda for today's is like create a profile. We are going through one by one, the create a profile, how to find the clients, creating a solution for them, and then you can become a successful freelancer. Now let's go through it. Create a profile. No, creating a profile is a must. It is just like you're just designing your resume. I hope you must have worked, even if you have not worked in corporate sector, but still you know that creating a resume, designing a resume is something very important so that you can just show your client what all you know, what all you can do. So how to create a profile? Profile creation is really must when it comes to freelancing because they don't know your work. If you do not have any profile, if you do not have anything to show that, okay, fine, this I can do, how would they understand? Why would anybody give you a job? Now, find your niche. This is the first and foremost thing that you need to find your niche. You should know where you want to write, what do you want to write. It's not like that you can write anything. Of course, a versatility is important. That I'm not saying that it should not be there, but at least you should be in your niche, right? If you're a travel blogger, if you're a marketing blogger, if you're a food blogger. So if you see, if you find a niche, you will be able to target your clients properly in a well-mannered and equipped way. How? Like you can go through, you must have been seeing YouTube videos and lots of food and cookery videos are there. There are Nisha's Kitchen and all those things. And these people are writing blogs as well now. Why they're famous? Because they are stick to that one niche. We are food bloggers. We are going to give this. We are travel bloggers. We are going to do this. They are coming up with the varieties, but in their niche only. So just find your niche where you're the best. Even if you're a Hindi blogger, you're writing stories. What kind of stories you write the best? Can you write the horror stories, or you can write thrillers best, or you can write the romantic stories? What? Just find your niche. This is very important. Be consistent. Now what happens with, even this has happened to me as well, when I was just doing blogging and all that for free. I have always lost my consistency because I'm not earning anything. I was like, okay, fine, sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't do it. So you have to be consistent on your writing. If you're consistent, you will be seeing that after being consistent, you have a lot and lot of blogs on your pocket to show your clients that, see, I have been writing this. Now this, what is being consistent? It's not that you're just writing once in a while and then just sitting back. Writing, keep writing. Don't look for money in the first way. Don't look for that. First start writing. At least 100 200 words for a day is also enough, but be consistent in your writing. Don't leave it just for the sake of you're not earning anything. Own a blog. Now, owning a blog is like what? Own a blog means you should have your own website. You should have your own blog where people can come and read all your work. Even if they are not giving you work, even if they are not asking you, they don't know you. If some of your friend is saying, we find this particular blog of this writer is on trend right now. Supposingly, if any of your blog is on trend right now, and the person is just visiting your site, that person will be visiting lots of other blogs of yours as well. In a way, you're creating a profile only. You're creating a contact point for yourself. It is not like that. Owning a blog means you're creating a contact point for yourself. And owning a blog is always a property. Trust me, I have 2 to 3 blogs of my own names. I'm just working with that. A Hindi blog is there, and there's a marketing blog, and I'm working on both of them. Because in this way, if somebody is coming with a Hindi content writer, they want a Hindi content writer, I'm ready with that. You can just go through the Hindi poetries or Hindi storytelling. If you want something related to marketing, I am ready with that as well. So I am giving versatility, but I'm having my own blog, and I'm just stick to a niche as well. I'm not going here and there with the same. Partner with other freelancers. Now, what is partner with other freelancers? It's not only related to blogging. Of course, you must have heard that you should write for other bloggers and all that. But partners with freelancers, it means like if you have a friend who's having a digital marketing company, right, or an acquaintance who knows digital marketing, he is also a freelancer. He or she is a freelancer. What you can do is that you can just partner with them. Fine, you're good at SEO. I'm good at content writing. You're good at something else. I'm good at this. In this way, if he or she is getting some work which is related to your niche, they will definitely come to you. And if it's completely like give and take. If you are giving them some work, they will be giving you as well. So always partner with other freelancers. Don't ever think that, oh, that person is just a digital marketer. Why should I go and be partner with them? Of course, you will be needing a digital marketer is always looking for a content writer because content is everywhere. Be a guest writer. Be a guest writer to all the blogs is possible for you. You know, there are many good websites who are just allowing you to be a guest writer. So keep writing for them. Don't stop. As I said, don't stop. Be a guest writer. They are giving you opportunity. Many of the websites, many of the good blogs also pay the guest writers. The reason why they pay their guest writer is just like that. Okay, fine. They're writing really good. So they pay them. So initially you might not get paid, but of course, if you are consistent, you will be getting paid for that as well. Show your presence on social media. Now, what is showing your presence? We all are on social media. We all are on Instagram. We are doing Facebook and all that. Are we there on LinkedIn? How many of you are there on LinkedIn? I mean, you can just write on chat, yes, me, or you are on LinkedIn if you are. So how many of you are there on LinkedIn? I mean, you should create a social profile for yourself. Create a social profile, show it to everybody that yes, I am there. I am working on this. This is how you can actually, let people know about it. Then The next is your open a LinkedIn account. As I said, you should have an open LinkedIn account and then showcase your work. Now, these social profile, these social media is basically your property to show off your work, to showcase your work. You should do that. Sharing everybody is doing, but yes, you have to be really vigorous when it comes to your work. It's always important. The next slide we are going to understand is how to find clients. Start writing for free, as we all know and we have been doing since long. But yes, this is still a very important aspect. Start writing for free. Everybody loves if you're gonna write for them for free. They won't charge anything. But yes, Sameer had told me once, "शेर के मुंह में खून लगने दो." So let it be. Let them let them understand your capability, your consistency. They should understand what is important, how important you are for them. Just start for free. Don't go for the money on the first hand. Never ever go for the money on the first hand. Use your existing contacts. Everybody, all of us know somebody or the other person. Just use the contacts. Huh? You can just ask them, fine, I'm writing, I'm a writer, I have this book, I'm writing on these platforms. Everybody has some or the other contacts. Don't think that this person is of no use. You never know who will come as a savior for you. You have no idea about it. So just keep using your existing contacts. Make a list of people you want to work with. Now, this is very important. As per your niche, you have to understand you want to work with whom. You have to just pen down all those people you want to work with. It is going to it is going to just cut off your hard work for this, because and you will be rightly targeting them like, okay, fine, I want to work with Tata, I want to work with this person. That is gonna give you a right target. Find out where the people you want to work for spend their time. Inbound, Copyblogger, Forum, and Scribophile are some of them. So now, if I want to work with some good blogs, so what would I do? I will definitely go and search for the top best people who are actually writing or who are in this field, the best of in this field. I will be searching for them, like where can I go and just find them? Just talk to them. Now, what is talking to them? It is not like that you're just chasing them for everything. No, 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 please tell me, tell me. No, it's not like that. It's just like that. Talk to them, ask them why they are appointing or why they are giving this work to other content writer, and what is the thing which they are looking for a good content writers. You can just talk to them, send them mails, just try to just try to understand what all they are looking for. Send cold emails to CEOs, COOs of the companies. Now, this is very important. Once you have find your niche, once you have decided who do you want to work with, start sending emails to them. It is very important so that at least your presence would be there. So keep sending emails to them. I know you might not get a reply in a 1 or 2 or 3 or maybe for 1 year or maybe for months, but one day it will be there that they will be replying you. Even this happens to us. Lots of spam mails come, and with a good title, sometimes it happens if 10 mails have come from the one person, we are going to open that one mail. We will be opening that one mail. Be very crisp and clear that, okay, fine, this is what I want. This is why I am mailing you. Just keep sending the cold mails. Personalize your cold email. Now, what is this? So if you find that, okay, fine, somebody has opened my mail, if you know that this person or this company CEO, whosoever has opened my mail, try to get their numbers, try to talk to them, try to be personalized so that they can now personalized does not mean you can ask them their personal questions on their life, but personalized means it's just like you're just asking them, you're just making it comfortable, right? So personalize your cold email. Learn marketing skills. Yes, this is something you must be thinking, I'm a content writer, why do I need to learn marketing skills? But yes, you will be needing. At the end of the day, you're selling your content. You're not doing anything else. You're selling your content. So you have to learn the marketing skills, how to approach, how to go for, what to write. It is the most important thing when even if you're just a content writer, you are selling your product, you are selling. So learn marketing skill, which is really important. Now, the third thing is create solution. So always remember the customer is looking for a solution. Hence, first do your homework well. It should not be like that, okay, fine, I have just done this, so I should just go for it. मैं तो ऐसे ही चला जाऊंगा customer के पास and they will be understanding. No, they won't be. They want a solution and you have to show them that. And you have to do the homework very well about anything. Remember when we go for the science class or when we go for the exams and all that, we just do all the things. If we don't know anything, we just read, we just do the revision, we just keep learning. So keep learning about that particular customer as well, your client. That is very important. Go to the client with well-researched plan. Even if you're doing it for the first time, don't let your client sense this. Never ever let your client sense this, that this is something you're doing for the first time, you don't know. Go with a well-researched plan. I have done this. These are the problems in your website. These are the things which can be solved and I can give you the solution. They should understand that you are the one who knows everything about them and you just want to give them a solution to this. You know the solution, be measurable and target oriented. Just be with that. Don't be like that, okay, fine, just going with small things. Just be measurable because you are having the idea, you know the solution. Make them realize the importance with your reader's profile. How would you get the reader's profile? How would you get the traffic? Only because of your blog. So you have to make that importance. They have to understand that, okay, fine, you have a really good, reader profile, which people are coming and reading your blogs. That's why they will give you the job. Why would anybody give a job to the person who does not even have any social media impact or have any social media presence? So you need to make a good, reader's profile. And for reader's profile, you should have a blog where all your properties are there. Set the right budget. Yeah, this is very important. Don't be very low. Don't go very low for the budget thing that, okay, fine, kuch bhi kar lenge, whatever is coming. No, it should not be like this. You should set a proper budget for this, set up a right budget. It should not be like that. You should value yourself. If you won't value, they are not going to value in any ways. So you have to value yourself. Don't go so low, don't go damn high just because the customer is like a biggie or someone. No, just value your work. They will value your work. At the end of the day, you have to understand that this is how things work. If you like something, you pay for it. You don't look for the money, you just pay for it, right? And at the end, I would say that do not overload yourself to be a successful freelancer. Now, what is this overloading? Overload yourself means just don't go for this. Okay, fine, I'll write this also. In a day, if you're having 5 to 6, if you have capability of writing, 2 to 3 blogs in a day, and you're writing just 5 to 6 only for the sake of money. So don't do this. You will lose your quality. So don't ever do this. Give a quality work. Don't overload yourself. With this, I would like Sameer to take the charge, and I would like all of you to be on camera as well. So is there any question, you can always ask us. I will.
Thank you very much, Pallavi.
Yes, Sameer.
No, I'm just thanking you for this, for giving me that opportunity, and for the lovely introduction what you just given to about me to everybody. Well, I have a same request, ladies, if you can come on screen, because I think there is much more beyond just a black screen with a name. It just looks like you have been just on a nameplate, which doesn't look good at all. So if we can see each other's, if we can see each other's, it will be make more connecting and more personalized. We are not talking to the nameplates. That's my philosophy of working, because nameplates are good on tables, not on the screen. All right. So thank you very much, Pallavi, for inviting me into a forum where all ladies are there. And to every lady, happy Women's Day, first of all. And
Thank
I'm
you.
quite sure that empowering women is the most needed. But as per me, women does not require empowerment because they are already empowered. People believe that they are not been empowered. There is a scope of empowering, but I don't think that any particular man or a kid or any person can live without a women support in our day-to-day life. So be it our mom, be it our sister or wife or any supportive person, you need a woman in your life to support in various options. Well, to be very honest, Pallavi nicely created the presentation. Thank you very much. But before I'll jump in with the perspective, I just need to know how many of you have actually finding this problem as in finding in a client for your writer. How many of you are actually finding it a difficult task? How many of you are finding that okay, I have been struggling to get it monetized, my blogs, my content? If you can just raise your hands or speak up in
You
one
may,
by one format.
I'm sorry, you may unmute yourself one by one as well. So of course,
Yeah,
you can unmute yourself. You can be on discussion panel.
yeah.
That will
It's
be
a it's
really
an
good.
open forum. It
Yeah.
is much better that we interact. It's not. It should not look like a classroom. Teacher comes and speaks about it, and then we thank you very much for listening our lecture performance. Yeah. So I think anyone can start from who are actually facing this problem as a big time that I'm writing so much, but I'm not able to monetize it, and I'm not able to finalize my right set of clients.
I guess
Uh,
Arya Jha ma'am has to say something.
Okay.
Okay, somebody is.
Thanks, Pallavi. Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone,
Shanti.
for listening. Thanks for inviting me here. Actually, I'm a writer. I was writing instantly for Momspresso and Pratilipi app also, but I'm not getting that much result of my hard work.
Okay,
And I wrote one book also, one book on ebook also. So what I am finding that in this field we are not getting that much that the effort we put in.
okay.
So
I'll
what
come to
to
that.
do?
I'll come to that.
Uh-huh.
I'll definitely come one by one. Let's first understand who are all facing this problem. Okay,
Yeah, yeah,
thank you very much.
yeah.
uh, Hello everyone, and thank you so much for inviting me over here. And I think this has been a good session, and there's definitely plus points that we've taken from here.
So,
Am
are
I
you also
audible?
facing? Yeah, Rahul, are you also facing the challenge to get the clients for
Yeah,
yourself?
we are definitely facing. Yeah, we are sending cold emails to CEOs and the other officers of reputed institutes and publications, and we are receiving a response from some of them, and some of them are not replying. So it was expected कि मतलब वो लोग इतनी जल्दी रिप्लाई करें, मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. Some are very professional and they reply very soon, and some don't reply at all.
Yeah.
So these
Okay.
things, yes, do come up, and I, well, I don't know what the next step should be if we are not getting any
I'll
responses.
I'll definitely come on
That's
that.
the
I'll come
biggest
on
problem,
everybody.
Samir, everybody's facing. I mean, we don't know
I
what the next step should be.
So I'll be coming up. I
That's
just
right.
quickly want you guys to just raise your hands in an instant go. That okay, I am facing it, and we'll come back to each and every part
Yeah.
because I know what exactly is going out and what exactly you are into the bubble where you've been facing this challenge. So I think everyone, if I'm not mistaken, Ashu is there. So are you also facing the same? Daksha, are you facing the same challenge?
Hi, Samir.
Y-
This is
Yeah, hi.
Ashu.
Yeah, hi,
So we are
Ashu.
facing issue here, so I cannot just start my camera right now.
That's okay.
Um,
Just so you are also
what I
facing the
wanted to
same.
tell you,
Uh-huh.
I want to tell you something that first of all, I don't know that how a blogger can get, can get paid or can earn something. I don't know how does this business work. First thing is this. Second, I also have started one blog on blogspot.com, but I don't know how well is it running, because as Pallavi said that you have to be consistent. I am consistent, but I am not consistent on my blog right now. Basically, I write Hindi poems,
Okay.
and yeah, I don't write content as you are talking about. But
Mhm.
yes, of course, I can write in Hindi and in the form of poetry. So two books I have got published recently.
Okay.
But I'm not sure what am I asking, what I have to ask, how should I get further, on this. So I'm here just to take information about all these things. I hope my questions and my confusions are clear to you.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Don't worry about that, Asham.
Thank you.
I'll be answering those particular one. I'm just picking up the question so that I can go up, and I think most of you will be able to go with one particular one. After that, it will be there. So I think,
Samir, I
guys,
would like
as a,
to interrupt you here. We have 10 minutes of time to wind up this. So, I mean, even people want
yeah,
to
you
go,
can
so we can just do it.
no, you can. So, Pallavi, you can rejoin the restart the
Yeah, we
session
can,
as well.
if everybody is okay, we can just rejoin the session again if it goes
So,
content, because the motive is actually to sort out the problem. So we
yeah,
are here
so
for that.
people, if in case you will lose the connectivity, just click on the same link and you'll rejoin back again. Okay. Now, quickly moving on to Daksha, Sapna, and to all others. I believe you people have the similar questions with regards to this. Where you
Hi.
are facing.
Hello.
Hello. Yes. Yes, Daksha.
Yeah, hi. Hi. Good afternoon. It's nice watching you all. My question is like I'm in this industry past 1 year and I have the same issues. I mean, how to approach. I keep approaching, I keep mailing friends and but then I don't get good response after all. And I just keep waiting. And then some brands are like, I work with them, but then they are so unprofessional, they'll not even reply after working.
Sure. I get that.
So how to
Okay.
pitch them, how to get the work done when I've done my work, they should be professional enough to, pay back or, I don't want this follow-up system. I keep following and they are like, their work is done, their post is done on my profile, everything is done. And that then I have to, keep following with them. How to, make this work easy.
I'll come to that as well. Okay, quickly going to Sapna. Sapna, you have a different question or a similar question?
Hello.
जी, बताइए.
Yes, actually, Daksha, she is my friend only. So whatever she said, just I'm also agreeing with her. The same thing.
Okay. So, basically, if I'll summarize everybody's question in a big spot, everybody is facing this particular challenge only, that you are not able to connect with the clients, number one. You are not able to monetize your particular content. That was number two. Number three, whenever we are doing that, we are being connected with the unprofessional world. If I'll summarize, these are the three things which are coming up in the major section. Now, very importantly factor, this all happens because of a poor branding and marketing skills. Now, when I say poor branding and marketing skills, you are good in writing, but what we expect from people, that the moment we have written something on a prominent place, we will start sharing that. How many of you are sharing your blogs within your groups? So everybody's on WhatsApp. Everybody's on WhatsApp. How many of you are sharing your blog, and on that particular blog you have a view counter, that whenever there is a view which is being taken by, that view counter increases. So how many of you are doing in a habit of sharing those blogs to different circles and different people on time to time on social media platforms, in different groups where you've been able to see? Because I'm quite sure that on Facebook you people have been connected to various groups. आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे ग्रुप्स ज्वाइन करे होंगे, वहां पे अपना ब्लॉग शेयर कर रहे होंगे आप लोग काफी बारी. बट
Yes.
कितने लोगों ने रेगुलरली उस ब्लॉग के ऊपर में रिस्पॉन्स करने की कोशिश करी है, और जो कमेंट्स आए. अच्छा, सो इसमें एक सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या बनता है, which I personally felt, that the poor branding is not only because we believe that it will be a cost impactful, we also take branding as a for granted things. हमने बस शेयर कर दिया, it is just done. अब ब्रांडिंग तो हो जाएगी. हमने
That's
सोशल
true.
मीडिया पे पोस्ट कर दिया, अब इसके बाद तो हमारे पास में कोई पार्ट है नहीं. Now I'll tell you that how you should do it in a very professional manner. There are a lot of news websites and platforms which always look for content to be published in terms of blogs, and specifically, as rightly mentioned by Pallavi, that there are news platforms where you can go ahead and share your platform blogs. Plus, how many of you are actually working on Google search engine? कितने लोगों ने Google search engine पे अपने blog को जो है optimize कराया है? There is a huge lot difference. Now, understand the fact. Google search engine पे जाकर के अपने blog को register करने के बाद ही Google आपके blog को top listing पे दिखलाता है. प्रॉब्लम क्या है? आपने शेयर करा एक ग्रुप पे, वहां से कुछ लोगों ने देखा, कुछ को पढ़ने में अच्छा लगा, कुछ को नहीं लगा, और उन्होंने छोड़ दिया. When you start sending second thing which was there, कि हमने कोल्ड ईमेल्स भेजे, कोई रिस्पॉन्स करता है, कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं करता है. पहली चीज ये कि आपके ईमेल्स को कोई भी सीईओ क्यों रिस्पॉन्ड करेगा? बिकॉज इफ आई एम अ सीईओ, I have no requirement of a blogger, of a content writer. I can hire a team. Why would I go ahead and put it in that frame कि नहीं जी मैं जाकर के कोई आपके घर पे डोरबेल बजाए, मैडम ये ले लो सामान, जबरदस्ती कोई सब्जी वाला आकर के आपको सामान बेचने की कोशिश करे, आप ले लेंगे क्या उससे? अगर आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट ही नहीं है तो. जब तक रिक्वायरमेंट होगी ही नहीं तब तक आप उस सामान को लेने के लिए नहीं जाएंगे. So you need to find out how you need to find out your right content people, right targeted audiences. You need to figure out कितने लोगों ने सोशल मीडिया पे ये रिक्वायरमेंट डाली है कि बस आप हमें कंटेंट राइटर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है, and is it in sync with my content? Now you can be a content writer in terms of Hindi poetry or something. पोइट्री के साथ में एक सबसे बड़ा ड्रॉबैक ये है कि हमारे देश में अब पोइट्री को कोई ज्यादा, स्पेसिफिकली हिंदी को ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस नहीं मिलती है. सो आई वुड से दैट स्टार्ट यूजिंग वन लाइनर्स, टू लाइनर्स फॉर्मेट फॉर योर वर्क. क्योंकि ज्यादातर बारी क्या होता है मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. पहले के टाइम पे जब भी कंटेंट लिखा जाता था तो एक टैगलाइन का फॉर्मेट लिखा जाता था, हमेशा एक टैगलाइन यूज होती थी. Now, if you are making your tagline stronger, it will always attract your people to read about it, and it will always stay in people for all the time. कोई मुझे बता सकता है आप में से किसको सबसे पुराना ऐड याद है? धारा का या एक डिटर्जेंट पाउडर है. ओके, लेट मी आस्क यू, एक डिटर्जेंट पाउडर है.
कपड़े क्यों है मैले धुले? कपड़े क्यों है मैले धुले?
और
निर्मा वॉशिंग पाउडर.
पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें. घड़ी कैसे याद है सबको? बिकॉज यू बीन एबल टू सी दैट एवरी डे, एवरी टाइम इन अ लिमिटेड स्पॉट. एक छोटा सा फेविकॉल का जोड़ है, टूटेगा नहीं. द कंटेंट शुड बी रिटन इन दिस फॉर्मेट. पर आज की डेट में ब्लॉग्स कैसे लिखे जा रहे हैं? ब्लॉग्स की हेडलाइंस इतनी बड़ी होती है कि उसको पढ़ करके आदमी को हार्ट अटैक आ जाए. तो सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या बन जाता है कि उस ब्लॉग का कंटेंट का टाइटल ही ऐसा अगर हो जिसको लेकर के जो है इंसान को ये लगे कि इट इज सो मच इनटू रियल टाइम और बहुत रियलिस्टिक होगा या बहुत बोरिंग टॉपिक होगा. व्हाई वुड समबडी इन्वेस्ट योर टाइम? बिकॉज रीडिंग रिक्वायर्स टाइम. और दूसरी चीज क्या है, यू नीड टू सेट योर ओन वर्ड लिमिट्स. प्रॉब्लम क्या हो जाती है, मैं जो मेरा फेवरेट टॉपिक है उस पर मैं लिखने जाता हूँ 500 नहीं 1000 वर्ड्स पे, 2000 वर्ड्स पे. क्यों? उस वर्ड को मैं आराम से छोटा कर सकता था. मैंने क्लाइंट को भेजा 2000 वर्ड का टॉपिक. अंडरस्टैंड कि वो चेक करेगा, वो पढ़ने बैठेगा तो उसके लिए कितना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो पहली चीज आपको ये सोचनी है कि आप जिस बारे में लिखना चाहते हैं, जिस चीज पे लिखना चाहते हैं, उसके कितने व्यूअर्स हैं और कितने व्यूअर्स ने उसकी डिमांड करी है। डू ऑलवेज अ पोलिंग। आपके पास, सबके पास सोशल मीडिया है, सब लोग बहुत सारे वाइडली कनेक्टेड हैं। डू अ पोलिंग that I am a blogger, are you looking for this particular topic to be written out? These are my thoughts. Create a network among yourself in your circle कि बॉस मैंने ये particular topic पे बात करने के लिए जा रहा हूँ, मैंने इन चीजों को फोकस, इन चीजों के ऊपर में ये मेरे व्यू पॉइंट्स हैं. How many of you are agreeing to that? That is how you will be able to create a strong community and strong write-up platform. दूसरी चीज, एक सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या है, एक ब्लॉगर दूसरे ब्लॉगर को हमेशा काटने के लिए चलता है, पता नहीं कि क्यों.
This is
आपके
really
पास
the
में
biggest issue. Nobody wants to read other bloggers post, or they don't want